Good day. Please introduce yourself.
Yes, good day to all. I am Lota C. L. Atenta. I am 37 years old. I live in Barangay Bupal, Cavite, Laguna.
Okay, are you married?
Yes, I am married.
Do you have children?
Yes, I have 2 children, 1 boy and 1 girl.
How old are they?
The boy is 12 years old and the girl is 11 years old.
What is your educational attainment?
Yes, I am a computer secretarial, 2 years undergraduate.
Okay, so
University.
college, undergraduate.
Yes.
Okay. And what is your height and what is your weight?
I am 5 inches tall and I am 40 kilos.
Okay. And how many brothers and sisters do you have?
I have 1 brother and I have 1 sister.
You are
And I am the
second child among the 3 siblings.
among the 3 siblings.
Okay. Can you tell us about your work experience?
I work in Dammam, Saudi Arabia
For how many years?
for 2 years.
You work there as a...
Domestic help.
Okay. And how many members of the family you are serving?
I serve 7 members of the family.
So the couple and the 5 children.
Yes.
Are all the children are all big?
Yes.
Okay. So how old is their youngest child?
15 years old.
Okay. And how many helper?
We have 3 helpers in one house.
So you're helping one another
Yes.
on the household chores.
Yes.
Their house is big
Yes.
and too much big.
Yes.
Okay. They have their own driver.
Yes.
Their cook.
My husband.
It's a couple.
Yes.
Your husband is a driver and you were in charge of the household.
Yes.
Okay. And do you know how to take care of a newly born baby?
Yes, I know.
Okay, can you show us or give us a little details on how preparing milk as well as preparing the bath of the baby?
Okay.
Okay, go ahead.
If you first is sterilize the bottle, then put warm water and 2 scoop of milk.
Okay.
When
After putting, what are you going to do?
milk, you will check the temperature of the milk.
Of course, after putting the milk and the water, you have
You
to...
will shake it.
Okay, to mix the milk and the water.
Yes, and you will.
And then have a test on your skin.
Yes.
So after testing, so is it okay now to give to the baby the milk?
Yes, if it is okay, you will put into the mouth.